One important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also called the large intestine. Colon health is a significant part of digestive health. Some people claim the colon should be cleansed for optimal digestive wellness. However, research proving the effectiveness of cleanses is scant and low in quality. Still, certain aspects of colon cleansing may be beneficial. It may help issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements. And there is some evidence that they can also reduce colon cancer risk. At times, food can become stuck in the intestines. This can leave someone feeling sluggish and tired because their body is literally being weighted down by toxins. Luckily, a drink has been discovered that can clear out the colon and leave the body feeling clean and refreshed. This drink contains apples, flax seeds and chia seeds, among other ingredients. Apples contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which keep bowel movements moving in a healthy way and help to cleanse the colon of any stuck food. Flax seeds help to fight cancerous cells from developing and help to kill any existing cancerous cells. This is because the flax seeds contain both antioxidants and important fiber. Likewise, chia seeds contain a healthy amount of essential fiber. They also contain phosphorus, which helps to grow and repair tissue and cells. Here is the recipe. It is especially important to consume extra water throughout this cleanse, as extra fiber can cause constipation. Ingredients: 1 organic apple, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup water. Directions: 1. Cut core from the apples and chop into small pieces, leaving skin. 2. Place all ingredients, except the chia seeds, into a blender and blend well. 3. Then, add the chia seeds to the smoothie and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. After 10 minutes or so, stir the mixture and enjoy. It is recommended that this drink be consumed twice per day, morning and night, for the duration of 2 weeks. In this time period, be sure to cut out any added sugar, alcohol, and red meat. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.